Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review between these two AI website builder, which is Twoguysfinance and B12. Although both are AI website builder, but they shine in very different way, and that's what we're about to look into right now. So let's dive into it. Twoguysfinance uses AI to build full functional WordPress website very fast. You pick a design or enter your content and the AI generates page with layout, image and text. It also includes hosting, backups and performance tools, so you get a complex package that's easy to manage. Now talking about B12 focus on AI assisted website creation with professional design help. The AI generates your site and then real designer refine it, which can lead to more polished results. It's great if you want a hand-off experience with expert support, but it can cost more and take a bit longer. So in my opinion, Twoguysfinance wins for quick, all-in-one WordPress site you can launch yourself, and B12 wins for AI built, backed by real design polished, and that's how the two website works. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.